But we start in Green Lake County and the latest on the runaway kayaker. Just hours ago, Sheriff Mark Padal announced he'll release more details on the case of Ryan Borgwald during a special news conference tomorrow morning at 10:30. We'll have a reporter in the room and we'll stream it live on NBC26.com. Borgwald is accused of faking his own drowning on Green Lake, then fleeing the country.
It's a case that's grabbed national headlines. A married father of three who allegedly staged his own death and fled the country. But as sensational as it is it against the law? I spoke with local experts to find out.
Aaron Zemlock, a criminal justice instructor at Fox Valley Technical College, says there's a method to investigate a case with this many twists.
The bigger the case, it really comes down to breaking it down right into its smaller parts.
Zemlock says it could take time to bring charges.
Suppositions or guesses or hypotheses don't land a conviction, right? You have to have the proof.
45-year-old Ryan Borgward went missing during a kayaking trip in August. After 8 weeks of searching, law enforcement says they have evidence that Borgward faked his own death and fled the country.
So we would call it a pseudocide.
That's Marian University criminal justice instructor Ryan Dronick, who says people can fake their own deaths for many reasons.
Traditionally, we see financial crimes, so insurance fraud is a reason why someone might do this. We see individuals want to avoid being caught by law enforcement for other crimes that could have been committed.
Zemlock says he isn't aware of specific statutes against staging one's death, but that doesn't mean there wasn't a crime involved.
Tangentially, right, there's a lot of things that the number of days that people spent like on this rescue and the liability from a cost standpoint, certainly, fraudulent documents or, duping documents to escape notice, capture, things like that. Those obviously are chargeable offenses.
In the meantime, the case has drawn national attention. And Zemlock and Dronick say while social media hype can help law enforcement find more tips, there are also some drawbacks.
So I think there's really a give and take when it comes to using the internet to help law enforcement solve some crimes.
It kind of creates a situation where people have more access to things that they can share with us. So that part of it's good. But there's some negatives. So people that get a little bit overzealous with the information end up releasing information that's not accurate.
I've reached out to Jerice Lapisa, the Green Lake County District Attorney. So far, she's declined to comment. But I will be at Thursday's press conference, and I'll have that story on air and online as we learn more information. In Appleton, I'm Margaret Cahill, NBC 26.